Hi, it's Alexia from LPT Medical. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing. This is the Oxlife Freedom by O2 Concepts. To start off, we're going to take everything out of the box and show you what comes included in your package. You will get your cannula. You will get an accessory bag to hold additional accessories. Your user manual, your carry case with the shoulder strap, you have your DC power supply, which is for your car. You also have your AC power supply, which is for the wall. You'll also receive your battery, and then you have your unit. Now that we have everything laid out, I'm going to show you how to set up your Oxlife Freedom for first time use. First, we are going to install our battery. It just clicks on the bottom, just like that. Then we are going to put it in the bag, just slide it directly over the top. And zip it up. Then we are going to install our cannula, which goes right over here. Now your Oxlife Freedom is ready to turn on. So to power on the Oxlife Freedom, simply press the power button. Your unit will turn on. There is a menu button. It will show you your battery plus the percentage. And then to adjust the flow settings, you can go up to go higher, or press the minus button to go lower. And then to power it off, simply press the power button again. The Oxlife Freedom is 9.4 inches high, 3.4 inches in depth, and 9 inches wide. The Oxlife Freedom weighs just over 5 pounds. It has a pulse flow setting from 1 to 5. It has 2 different battery options. It has a single battery, which on a setting of 2 will last up to 4 hours, and then a double battery, which on a setting of 2 will last up to 8 hours. The Oxlife Freedom is great for getting out of the house, going and running errands, doctor's appointments, everyday thing like that. Also, again, great for travel on the airplane or in the car, as you can use it with that DC power supply. If you'd like to see how the Oxlife Freedom compares to other portable oxygen concentrators, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get notified when we post other videos like this. And be sure to check out our Facebook group where you can ask questions and interact with other oxygen users like yourself. And most importantly, if you're in the market for a portable oxygen concentrator like this, be sure to check out our website, www.lptmedical.com, or call the number on your screen and speak to one of our respiratory specialists to help find the best portable oxygen concentrator for you.